Hey you guys, it's Whitney and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a post-Christmas, after Christmas, whatever you want to call it, clean with me. I have so much organizing to do and decluttering and just picking up that after Christmas mess, so I figured that I would bring you guys along with me. So we are going to start this video out today in my master bedroom, and I'm actually going to be organizing all of my gift wrapping and wrapping paper. I had made a huge mess after all of the Christmas wrapping that I had to do, and this has honestly been really messed up for so long. And I got this wrapping paper holder off of Amazon, and I figured it would be great to store all of my wrapping paper in, as well as some tape and scissors and things like that that I would be needing when I'm wrapping. So I am just going to take this time. I'm going to roll up all of the wrapping paper and cut off any pieces that are haggard and all of that kind of stuff, and just get everything nice and organized into this wrapping paper case.
Falling down, we faded, but I know that we can save it, 'cause we're like Alpha and Omega. Whatever happens doesn't matter, I know we can sort it out. Alpha and Omega. Even if we go all out and break us down, I know we are Alpha and Omega. Whatever happens doesn't matter, I know we can sort it out. Alpha and Omega. Alpha and Omega. I know we can save it, 'cause we're like Alpha and Omega. Even if we go all out and break us down, yeah, we can work it out, 'cause we're like Alpha and Omega. Even if we go all out and break us down, yeah, we can work it out. Alpha and Omega, Alpha and Omega. Whatever happens doesn't matter, I know we can sort it out. Alpha and Omega. Even if we go all out and break us down, I know we are Alpha and Omega. Whatever happens doesn't matter, I know we can sort it out. Alpha and Omega. Alpha and Omega.
I've been holding on, I wouldn't let you go.
So now I'm going to take the leftover ribbon that I have in this bin, and I'm actually going to place it into a bin that I have in our bathroom linen closet that houses all of our yarn and ribbon. I don't really use this a whole lot. I only use it for the Christmas season, so I figured that it would be better off taking up space in here. So now I'm going to organize my gift bag bin, and this gets messed up every single time that I have to pull out a gift bag, but that is just life for me. And if you guys have any ways that you store your gift bags that are a little more functional than this, please let me know. But basically, I am just going to organize them into Christmas gift bags. I have some birthday, I have just some basic looking gift bags that can be used for anything, and then I have some baby shower ones at the very bottom. And the way that I organize this is I put all of the baby shower ones at the bottom, and then I did my generic gift bags, and then I did all of my Christmas gift bags, and then I put the birthday ones on top because I use those the most.
My heart wants to stay. I'll run away, hit the road and almost stay. But I keep turning back just like a boomerang. You're like a backseat ghost telling me to stop. No matter what you do, I keep on coming back. Just like a boomerang. I keep on spinning like a boomerang.
And then the last thing that I'm going to do is organize all of my tissue paper and gift tags, and I am just putting those into this little wicker basket, whatever you want to call it. I had it left over in my linen closet and it wasn't housing anything, so I decided to use it for these. So now we are going to get into some toy organization. Of course, this is after Christmas, so my kids had some new toys that needed to find a new home. And in my daughter's room, she used to have a giant dollhouse right here, but I decided to put that in the closet because the kids weren't really using it anymore and it was just taking up space. So I am going to put this little baby doll bed that she got for Christmas here in the corner, and then I will place all of her baby dolls in here, and that's kind of where they will live. My daughter is really into baby dolls right now, and she is just so cute with them, so of course I had to leave them all out for her. And then I had this bin from when I made over her room, and I put all of her toys in there, but if I'm being honest, it just was not functioning. She wasn't playing with any of these toys because they were just all kind of placed together. So I decided to go through them and reorganize them into the little cube organizer that she has in her room and just make some more space for her new toys.
And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, na, na, na. Always knew that.
Now, while I am organizing her toys, I wanted to tell you guys that I am using a new mic that my husband got for me for Christmas. So if the audio sounds off or if I sound out of breath or whatever, it's just because I'm getting used to using a new software and new mic for my computer, and I honestly don't know what I'm doing. So if the audio sounds weird, let me know in the comments if it's too loud compared to the music or too soft. I would really love your all's feedback.
I should let you know, yeah, now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know, yeah, now, no, it's no more, no. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more, no, no. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more, no, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Now, no, it's no more, no. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more, no, no. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more, no, no. Yeah. You're gone now. Will you call me back? Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that.
So this is actually the next day. I filmed this video over the course of a few days because we were still in the holiday celebration weekend and we had some things to do. So this is my living room after 2 days of Christmas celebrations, and there is just stuff everywhere. All over the kitchen, all over the living room. And my husband and kids actually went to a birthday party, and I decided to take this time and get a head start on all of the cleaning and organizing. So I am going to start out in the living room. I'm going to take this laundry basket and gather all of the toys, and that way it just makes it easier for me to bring them up to the kids' bedrooms when I go to organize them. And I'm just going to basically tidy up in here, pick up the blankets and trash, and just get everything back together because this room was a giant mess.
You're far away, and yet so close. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, you're up in space. You're inside the noise. I can feel you. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation.
Once I have gathered all of the toys on the stairs here, I am just going to take this time and bring them all upstairs, and then I will get into some more toy organization.
I hope I'll be your destination. You're gone now, but you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that.
So now we are back in my daughter's room on day 2 of cleaning, and I'm just gonna quickly tidy up her room and then organize some of the new toys that she got from my dad and my sister. She got a little Frozen castle and just some other things that I needed to find more space for. So that is what I'm gonna work on here and just getting everything into their place.
Fall down low. I hope I'll be your destination.
Aren't you tired of the drama? You use your words like they.
So now we are gonna move into my son's room, and this room was a mess. He had all of his toys on his bed, and honestly, I haven't gone through his toys and organized them in so long because I knew Christmas was coming up and there was just really no point. So I decided to take this time and completely reorganize all of his toys and make sure that I'm finding every single toy a new home.
Down, don't you know I get up? Yeah, baby, I will fight. No, there ain't nothing stopping me. I'm bulletproof, I won't fall. I'm bulletproof, go won't shoot me down. I will always get up again. You're looking at me so cold. Get over yourself, are you for real? What are you looking
The way that I organized his toys is I put all of his train track pieces in a really big tub that I had left over from all of my gift wrapping organization. And then I used the tub that the train pieces were in for all of his cars because he has a ton of cars. My son has loved cars ever since he was 1 year old, and he is just stuck to that, and that's all he ever asked for Christmas and birthdays, and he's very specific about which ones that he likes to play with. So we do hold on to all of them for him, and I really wanted to make sure it was easy for him to find all of his cars and the ones that he wanted to play with on that particular day.
me?
So now that all of the toys are organized, I am just going to go ahead and make his bed and just get his room tidied up and everything put back together so that way I could come in here and vacuum.
You know that I'ma keep it cool. With you I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us two, playing around without a clue. On the edge, leaning out. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess
And then like I was saying before, I am just going to run the vacuum in my son's room and get all of the crumbs and things off of the floor, and then I will go do the same thing in my daughter's room.
with us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing. But guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you're asleep. Had to convince my friends this time. Think you're toxic to my mind, but I know they don't know what you're all about. The way you hold my body tight, staying up talking through the night. Yeah, I know they just don't. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing. But guess I need more of you.
So now we are going to move back downstairs, and I am just going to quickly vacuum down the couch and get all of the crumbs off of there. It had been a few days since I had vacuumed in here because we had all of the toys all over the living room. So I really wanted to give this room a nice deep clean, and then I will vacuum the rug as well and get that nice and done. And then I will make the couch and just get everything put back into their place.
Why don't you stay? Why don't we talk about this? Why don't you stay? Why don't we talk about this? With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing. But guess I need more.
Anyways, you guys, that is going to end today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it and it gave you some motivation to get some cleaning done in your home today. As always, thank you guys so much for watching my videos, and I will see you all in the next one.